friends, today I am going to post my third video in training center. So this is going to be my third video in training ground. This is going to be my first video in training grounds. Today I and my brother will be going to race. So let's talk about the rules and everything in the training ground. So let's start it. And now there is a new update in Free Fire that we have a new update in Free Fire. So let's see that update was about that new character bundle and some other things. And this is training center, guys. I think everybody know about this, but only few don't know. This is a shooting practice place, and this is for rest. This is how to rest, and we can use this place for resting and everything. And there are two ways. If we go to this way, we'll enter into the training combat. So I'll show you once the training combat, and it is very dangerous. So many people will be there. So it was like that. We should bring out our weapons in the training combat, or we will get injured or we may die. And the other one is for just for fun, and we can use it for chatting, other things like that. So today we are going to race. So let's go. So friends, this is the place, and we get vehicles out here. There was a bike out here. My brother took it and went, and he's making the preparations for the race. And this is a place. There are zip lines and everything. This is a race course out there. There is a big race course, and we can. So I'll show you the race course with my brother. He's just going to follow me. I'm going to show you the race course in my bike. So this is the race course. This is a race course, and we can enter it from the two ways. So this is a race course, but we have to drive our vehicles carefully, or else our vehicles may get stuck in the walls or in any place. So I have practiced just one time to play out here, and I'm now making it goodly. And so this is a race course, and this is not the exit. There will be a ramp. After the ramp, yeah, the ramp is going to be here. Yeah, this is the ramp. We should jump out here. We should jump and just take a turn and come out the finish line. Who will come here will be the winner. So and after this racing video, in the next video I will post hide and seek in training center for you all, guys. So please like and subscribe our channel, and please share our videos to everyone, that to make our channel famous. So I'll call my brother to come here. He just took the big dropping vehicle, that monster car out there, and he's stuck. He's not able to come out here. I think he just went to block the way from there. Yeah, he's trying to block, but he couldn't. So I will help him to block it. Yeah, because sometimes our heart and hands will block. We'll try. We will only cheat ourselves and cheat our other opponents. He just make the vehicle struck like this. So friends, I said in the tunnel that we should drive carefully. So if we don't drive carefully, our vehicle may get stuck out here like this. Or you are seeing this now like this. So now we are going to race. I am saying my brother to get down. Get down. भाई उतर जाना. उतर बे. रे उतर. रे उतर रे. ए उतर बे. उतर बे साले. And we are going to race in two other vehicles. Mine is going to be a bike, and his is going to be a car. And he is going to choose a Lamborghini car, or it is his wish. He can choose any other car. Actually, the Free Fire game, when I updated it last time in the Play Store, it showed that it has updated the speed of the bike. Let's see what happens about the speed of the bike. If it's true, then it's okay. And I also saw in the updates that even the car speed has been increased. So let's see what happens. Let him choose his wish. It is his wish to choose. No, 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 no. That is my bike. That is my bike. That is my bike. You can choose any one of these. So we are going to start our race. I am going to say the rules to you guys. Wait. So we have to go from this way and complete 3 rounds. Totally 3 rounds and no cheating. Okay, no cheating. We have to jump from the ramp and not move out from the ramp. We have to jump. Okay, and then who will finish the 3 rounds first and come out here will be the winner. So let's start the game. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, he's a little tricky player. He may cheat, but I don't think that he will cheat because he promised me that he will not cheat when we played this for the first time. He just cheated me. He didn't come in the right route. He just came in the opposite route of mine. So it's true that it has updated the speed. In the beginning, it had just 100 of speed and it was going so slow. But now it has improved the speed. It is going still 130. Yeah. I finished the first round and he's still in that other position. And we'll make this of 3 sets, 3 sets of 3 rounds. So we'll see who will win in this race. Friends, please subscribe my channel and please like our videos and press the bell icon that whenever my videos will be posted in YouTube, you can just click on the bell icon and just watch my videos. So please guys, I said my brother to just choose a Lamborghini car, but he didn't choose it. I don't know why. But he chose that MTB four-wheeler bike, and he's just coming very slow. I finished my second round also. I'm on my third round. Let's see what will happen. He's just 100 away from. I think his vehicle is stuck, or he must be going too slow. Yeah, I think his vehicle is stuck. He's outside. He's outside, and he has gone back. He's doing his part, and I'm going to finish my race now, and I'm winning. And this was the first set. Oops, I got stuck out here. Then I have to go now. I just got stuck. So I won the race. Yay! I won the race. I won the race. Oh, I just struck. I just got struck out here. This is the bloody thing. What happens in this game? Okay, in this training center, whatever happens, it gets struck like this. Yeah, now it's okay. Now it's okay. I have got it. So this round was bike versus bike, and now next round will be a car versus car. And I will let my brother to choose first. Yeah, he's coming there. There you go. He came. Yeah, I let him to choose first. Let him choose. Okay, he choose that thing, and I choose this thing. And now there will be another rules. So now we are going to follow the same rules, but the rounds will be decreased. He's going somewhere. He's going somewhere. Hey, come back! Come back! Come back! Come back, man! Come back! Where are you going? Hey, the race didn't start yet, da. He's just going somewhere and somewhere, looping out. He doesn't know that the race has not started yet, but he went out. Now he's just coming with me, and he's going to stop the car on the start line. Then I wanted to say you this thing that if you are on this race course, and then if you want to kill anybody, you can't kill anybody. Why? Because this is just for chatting and meeting. You can chat with anyone in this thing. Now we both are only there in this training center. If anyone was there, he was just getting visible to us. So the rules will be same and we'll go from this way and come back from this way and the same we'll follow the same thing. We'll just have to put uh, uh, 6 rounds, I think so. Okay, yeah, no, 4 rounds. Yeah, 4 rounds. He said 4 rounds. Okay, if we fixed it for 4 rounds and we are going to increase just 1 round. Yeah, as they said, as a Free Fire update says that the car Lamborghini speed has increased. Let's compare it with the truck. So let's start our race in 3, 2, and 1. Go. Yeah, this truck is really slow, and it gives the speed of 121 and 122, nearly 121 to 122. It can't match Lamborghini, but we can go a little faster. If the Lamborghini gets any trouble, then we can chase it out. But it's a good car indeed. We can even summon the drop into this car and just move it out, but it's very tricky and tough. We just want to follow the hacks to do that, and we can see many videos according to that. If you want me to do the video on that hack, how to carry the drop on this vehicle, then you can just chat in the chat. Then you have to fulfill the aim of likes. YouTube has not given me the comment right away because I'm a minor and I do not have 18 years. I'm just I am 14 years old. YouTube has not given me the comment right away because it says that if anyone just gives me negative comment, it will be hurting, and so if someone trolls about me, my family will feel bad. So it has not given me the comment right. Okay, so please fulfill the fulfill my sorry. You all please hit the like button, and my target is nearly 2000 at least. Please hit the like target. I think you can do it, and please share my videos to everyone. Share it. I have finished the 3 rounds and just 1 round is remaining. I think so. No. I have finished 3 rounds. Yes, I have finished 3 rounds and 1 round is remaining. I think he will be finishing this round, and I think he will finish the round. Yeah, he will finish the round. These vehicles are very slow and his one is very fast. My brother is singing song that he is winning this match. Actually, whenever I come to this training center, I have came to this training center 2 times. So this is the second time I came. And when first time when I came, I just took the bike and Lamborghini car when we were racing. But now he just won one match and I won one match. Now we are going to take. I am going to take the jeep and he's going to take the auto rickshaw. So I'm going to bring my jeep out here. He just took it and left it out there. Yeah, if we did not make this thing stuck out here, we both were just so I am bringing this thing now, and he's putting the truck out there. He's putting the truck out there. Let him put it. Let him put it. I'll just bring it and stop it in the stat line. And this race is going to be same as it is, but we are going to reduce the rounds this time. We have to just put 3 rounds, not 3 rounds, 2 rounds. Just that's it. Two rounds of race, so we have to win just 2 rounds. He's just up there. He's going in the zip line. He's coming here. So now this is going to be it. We just choose alternate speed vehicles, but now both are in the same speed, I think so. I'll just test drive this thing once. I'm saying my brother to get down. Hey, get down. Oh my god, there's one more. Yeah, as I said, this guy is not there in our vlog. Okay, he just came to the training center for just for fun and to train himself, and he's just in the chat thing, this race course, and now we are going to start the match. As I said, just 2 rounds. Okay, he's also liking to race with us, so let him race. So I'm going to start at 3, 2, 1, go. The vehicles have the same speed, but our auto rickshaw have some extra speed in it. I think so, but I don't think so. I am matching it. I'm front of it. He stuck back. I'm crossing him and going away. Yeah, I'm crossing him. I'm crossing him. No, the best thing, I just crossed him now. He's back of me. Actually, both the vehicles have same speed, but I don't know why he's stuck back away. He stuck back away. He didn't come front. Now also he didn't come front. He's still back. He could come front matching me. I think so. He has some problem. Let's check it. If he doesn't have any problem, then he will not finish the race. Why? Because I am in the front, and now I am going to finish my race in some few seconds. In few seconds, I'm going to finish my race. Come on, come on, come on. And please, guys, if you can comment to my videos in Free Fire videos, you can obviously comment. If you can comment, please comment that do you like this video, and please comment our video. And guys, please say that which language is comfortable for you. If any language is comfortable for you, then in the next from the next video I'll just use that language. This guy is irritating. He's just not going anywhere. This guy, funny idiot. My brother just cheated me. He cheated me. Oh my goodness. He cheated me. So now he have to bear his punishment now. Come on, you'll get my punishment. Come, 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 come. So guys, now it was a race. So now next we are going for the combat training. Not for the combat training actually. We are going to play hide and seek out here. We both are going to play. And he is going to hide and I am going to seek him. After that, when I will find him out, then I am going to he's going to sorry. Then I will hide, then he will seek. So let's see what happens. What the heck happens? This one more guy is just getting me irritated. He's just hiding somewhere and going somewhere every time.